This is Tajamul Adil. Today I'm talking about voice recorder which can record your phone calls and team meetings. With the Plaud Note you can record audio files using iPhone or Android devices and then transcribe your recordings using ChatGPT. The lightweight aluminum body Plaud Note is just 0.12 inches thick and snapped to the back of an iPhone or Android phone. You can see the two microphones along the top edge of the recorder. The Plaud Note has a sleek design with a credit card sized thin metal case and two controls button at the top. Included with the Plaud Note is a MagSafe case that surely connects to the back of an iPhone. If your phone doesn't have MagSafe, you can use the included metal ring sticker on the back of your phone. If you are looking for easy way to record your phone calls, you might be interested in the new ChatGPT AI Voice Recorder. Let's do an unboxing and see what's inside the box. Plaud Note attached seamlessly with your iPhone and Android phone, capturing and storing high-quality recording instantly. It is compatible with the MagSafe case and comes with the MagSafe ring and case of non-MagSafe cases. For easy access to its features and to fully utilize its capabilities, it is recommended that you attach it to the MagSafe case. Using mobile app, Plaud Note is able to transcribe your information into text. With the Plaud Note voice recorder, you can easily search via Bluetooth and control your voice recording from the top left corner button. As you can see in the video, they included the raw recording feature and the AI noise cancellation feature, which are really great. There are also scenes where multiple recording options are available, such as recording, meeting, and interviews. Let's take a closer look of your voice recording with the raw sound recordings. Hello, this is a testing sound. I'm using a Plaud Note and I hope you are listening clear sound. And this is a testing sound from the Plaud Note. I am now changing the voice recording method from raw sound recording to AI noise cancelling and see what's happened. Hello, this is a testing sound. I'm using a Plaud Note with the noise cancellation on. I hope you are listening clear sound. I'm using a Plaud Note for the voice recording. It's like that when I play my voice recording using Plaud Note, which has noise cancellation built in. Hello, this is a testing sound. I'm using a Plaud Note with the noise cancellation on. I hope you are listening clear sound. I'm using a Plaud Note for the voice recording. In addition to switch, there is a button you can start and stop recording. Hello, testing sound. This is a testing sound. I'm using a dual engine mode button. Hello, testing sound. This is a testing sound. I'm using a dual engine mode. There is a switch that toggles between call recording mode to normal recording mode. This device features 3 microphones. I'm recording audio calls using Plaud Note. I hope you're listening clear sound. Okay, Ibrahim, क्या हाल है बेटे? ठीक हो आप? I'm fine. You're fine. What are you doing right now? What are you doing? In the bed. You are sitting on the bed? Are you playing games? Are you playing games? No. Why you are not playing games now? Why? Where is your iPad? No. Where is your iPad? Here. You are here? Okay, so you are not using iPad? No. Why? I usually know.
You're not using iPad, huh?
Plaud Note also packs a power punch with 30 hours of continuous recording. It can store 480 hours of recording with a 64 GB memory. You just need to hold down the button for a long period of time to start and stop recording. When you start a recording, the Plaud Note vibrates once, and when you stop it, it vibrates twice. In addition to two air conduction sensors that detect surrounding sounds, another vibration conduction sensor detects internal phone sounds when it is activated. The best voice recorder that I have reviewed. It's simple to use and the voice transcription and ChatGPT features in the app are great. Support Plaud Note on the kickstart.com website and you can find the buying links in the video description. If you are interested in bone conduction headphone, then click on this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in this video.